Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Nissan 370Z Roadster. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.